Welcome back to the home stretch. I'm Frisby with Victorian Finance, a loan officer here in North Alabama.
And I am Nina Soden with the Soden team of Legend Realty, your local real estate agent.
So Nina, with it being, we're middle of October.
Yes.
And so Christmas is tomorrow, really.
Yes.
Yeah. What can buyers and sellers do now to prepare for their real estate goals in the new year?
Okay, so one thing that I'm telling all of the sellers that I talk to right now is that if you are looking to sell early next year, before springtime and all the beautiful flowers come up, take your listing photos now before the leaves all turn brown and we get that winter kind of slushy rain, sleet, cold.
The grass is dead.
The grass is dead and the trees are bare. Take your photos now. Reach out to your local real estate agent, either your one that you know you're going to use already, or reach out to me. I am scheduling photos with different listings constantly right now because I would rather your house, when it goes on the market, look beautiful and have that color and the trees and the leaves and the flowers that they have right now. And even if it's got the fall look, that's okay. It's better than the winter look. So if you're looking to do it anytime in January, February, or March, take your photos now.
I would have never thought about that. That's great advice because, I don't think a lot of people think about that. And then when their listing goes live and then you've got those pictures and they're just dreary and
they're so sad. Winter listing photos are so sad. But other than that, also just start slowly preparing. Getting your house ready to list can be arduous. It can take time.
Yeah.
So start looking at your home, seeing what little projects you can do, start to declutter, put things into storage, take things to donation, and start to slowly pare down and declutter and look for the little projects like touch-up paint, replacing broken light switch or outlet covers, those types of things. If you do a little each week or a little each month, it's going to make it a lot easier when you are ready to go active.
It won't be so overwhelming.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, and Kat, what on the buy side? What should buyers that are looking to purchase in early to mid 2026 be doing to financially get ready for that purchase?
So, we've had, I think, similar episodes about, if you're looking to buy, what can you do, ahead of time. But just to kind of touch on those again is, of course, know your credit, know your credit history, know your credit report. You have access to one free credit report a year through annualcreditreport.com. None of the other ones, that's the true free one, annualcreditreport.com. We'll put it down in the description. Yep. But I highly recommend going to that website, pulling your credit report. Now, it's not going to give you credit scores. Because it's just giving you your credit history and the information that's on your credit report.
So that you could check to remove things that aren't you.
So you want to look over that to make sure that, one, everything is accurate. That if you do have anything that is in charge-off, collections, that you just didn't know about. Because sometimes we just don't know.
Yeah.
Go ahead and settle those up. If you do have anything in dispute, go ahead and settle that and get that removed, because we cannot if something is an active dispute on your credit report, there's nothing we can't move forward until that dispute is resolved.
So how do they go about actually getting something removed from their credit report?
So you're going to contact the credit bureaus.
Okay.
So you go to Experian, TransUnion, and then Equifax. They all have forms that you can fill out to dispute something or to correct something.
Okay.
It's, go on their website. It's very easy to do. If you have any trouble with it, just give me a call. I'll be more than happy to walk you through that. But yeah, know your credit report kind of inside and out. Make sure you're checking for accuracy, and then start saving.
Yeah.
I know it's Christmas and
that's hard.
It's hard to save. But yeah, I mean, you not only have a down payment, but you also have to consider that, you could potentially be saving up for closing costs. And then if you want to have a cheaper rate, you might have to spend extra money buying down your rate.
Yep.
Not all sellers are offering seller concessions anymore.
No.
So that's on you buyers. You're going to have to come up with those funds to help purchase that house.
So recommendation when it comes to how holidays, whether it be any of the holidays in December, really. I mean, there's gift giving involved in most of them. So I am that person. I start my Christmas shopping way early in the year because I don't like to rack up the debt.
Yes.
But think about that kind of stuff too. I mean, it's October. You have a few months. The more you can buy with cash instead of creating more debt.
Yeah.
If you are looking to do a real estate transaction in the new year, debt to income matters.
Yeah, and that's a great point that you bring up too. One of the things that we look at is credit utilization. So if you have racked up some credit card debt, and when we pull credit, in the new year, and those balances are high, that credit utilization can hurt you a little bit, especially with your credit score. So yeah, that's a great point that you bring up for that as well. So yeah, a couple
of quick tips on how to prepare for your real estate goals in 2026 with the new year coming and the holidays just right around the corner. It is so quick. If you have other questions or have other tips that you think would be a good idea, comment them below. But if you've got questions for us, let us know in the comments and we will address your comments. Hopefully soon we'll be doing another Ask Me Anything and we'll be addressing your questions. All right. Thank you for visiting us on The Home Stretch.
We'll see you next time. Bye.